Climbing Mt Giluwe was more than just a personal challenge. It was a journey for a cause. A reminder that when we come together with intention, we create meaningful moments beyond ourselves. This climb was towards people living with special needs. It is a reminder that true achievement is not only measured by heights we climb, but by the difference we make in our communities. Each step towards the summit represented hope, inclusion, love, and sympathy. It created an important space where everyone in our communities is supported and valued.
Hi guys, we woke up at 4:30 and began our hike, and now the time is 10:30. We are here at the east side, and behind me you can see the Mt Giluwe. And we finally made it to the top of Mt Giluwe, the second highest mountain in Papua New Guinea. I am here with Miss Council, my team, and the lovely locals who supported us on this hike. Are we excited for climbing up to Mt Giluwe? Yes! One more time! Yes!